If it's purchasing a house, if it's buying a car, if it's setting up college savings accounts for your kids, purchasing a beach vacation home, a lake house, whatever. That's what I'm here for. That's what I can help with. It's not just a transaction. It is helping you through from start to finish, whatever that may be that day. And it can change. It can be something different next week. But whatever you're trying to accomplish, whatever your goal is at that point, I'm gonna help you finish it. I'm gonna help you realize it. And whatever that looks like, I'm in for the ride because you're my priority. You are what's important to us, to me. You're my client. If I don't have customers, if I don't have clients, I have no reason to come to work every day. And furthermore, I'm passionate about what I do because I want to help people, truly. That's what I want to do. The same reason that you get up and do what you want to do. Life is short and moments are precious. And so trying to help somebody else have a great moment, have a victory, have a success, achieve something, to see that inspiration, it's a huge driving force for us, for me especially. If you're not sure of a process, you've never bought a second house before. You've never bought your own house before. Maybe you're just coming out of college, you've just received all of your licenses, you're ready to start practicing, and you have no idea where to start. Give me a call. I can help you with that.